In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Binance account to Google Authenticator. This process enhances your account security by requiring a verification code during logins. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account. After logging in, locate your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu and select Profile Settings. Within the Profile Settings, look for the section labeled Security. Click on this option to access various security features. In the security settings, find the option for Google Authenticator setup. This section is crucial as it prepares the connection between Binance and the Google Authenticator app. Next, ensure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. If you have not done so, download it from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and select the option to add a new account. This typically involves tapping on the plus icon or the begin button, depending on your app version. Now, return to the Binance security settings, where you should see a QR code displayed on the screen. Use the Google Authenticator app to scan this QR code. This action links your Binance account to the app. After scanning, the app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Make sure to save the backup key provided by Binance in a secure location. It can help you regain access in case you lose your phone. Once you have the verification code from Google Authenticator, return to the Binance interface. Enter the code in the designated fields to complete the setup process. This step confirms that the app is correctly linked to your account. It is advisable to test the setup by logging out and then logging back in using the authentication code to ensure everything is functioning properly. You have now successfully connected Binance to Google Authenticator. This added layer of security protects your account from unauthorized access. Ensure you keep your backup key safe and verify that your codes refresh correctly in the app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.